what is going on? It is Street Rod International Weekend here in York, Pennsylvania, known by us that live around here as Hot Rod Weekend, where people come in from all over the country for a big old street rod show. The exciting thing about it is what happens at night is everyone goes out to Route 30, cruises up and down the road, parks in parking lots. It's good old-fashioned classic car culture before it got ruined by all the stuff that happens on the internet now. So I am gonna head down and take some photos on the Fuji X100F. I will not be taking either of my Beetles because that one still broken down, engine's blown up, and that one technically isn't insured, kind of a long story. And literally the last 2 years that I've gone down there, one of them is broken down. That one broke down last year and it's still broken down because building engines is expensive and time consuming. So we're gonna load up, hop in the car, and throw the GoPro on top of the camera and we'll see you down there. But first, if you're new here, my name is Adam. This is my YouTube channel. Adam Has a Camera, where I make videos of me walking around taking photos and talking about photography for 20 people to watch. Thank you for being here. Let's head down the road. What do you mean? Here, this way, buddy. Huh? We're gonna go drop our water off at Eric's truck. No. What's up, dude?
Hey, shred a belt. Yeah, I thought I was like babying this thing here. I'm like, well, just keep it. Yeah, dude, you see what I'm saying? I didn't even look up.
But a big rig. Nice.
We got the GoPro action on.
Yeah, dude.
We're live.
We're live. Damn. You like it? You want to get a picture in front of it? You want to smile? Stay out of the road. All right, we are back. It is tomorrow. Well, technically it's today, but it's the day after yesterday from the footage you were watching. Basically what I'm trying to say is today is Saturday. All that other stuff was from Friday. So we're back. We're gonna try to get some rolling shots and sit along the road and watch some cars go by. Hopefully you liked what you saw already. Hopefully you like what you see now. Thanks. We won't fall down. I gotta fix their mirror, I bumped it. All right. Well, we'll sit here and watch, and they'll drive by. Is that cool?
I got a red hot rod.
You did.
Yeah. Look at that hot rod, 3 wheels. Steady, it's being steady.
Yeah.
Look at that hot rod.
Yeah. That's called a poor bear.
Hot rod. I see a hot rod. Hurry, hurry. Look at that tree. That one
You like them?
Take a picture of them.
Yeah.
Let me see it.
All right, bud. That's enough. I don't.
What's this called?
Nice. Yeah. Okay. All right, well, that's gonna do it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope some of the photos came out half decent. We'll see. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one. Stay crusty. What do you say? Yeah.